I thought it'd be a fun joke to put the dashboard in the engine bay. Unfortunately, AC was not working, and the leak was coming from the evaporator, which is in the HVAC box. The HVAC box is right in the middle of the car. Stuff has to come out in order to gain access to the dash frame. With this portion of it, it comes off in one piece, which is great. It's just everything else has to come apart. Normally, you don't have to take the windshield out. The windshield is out, and I can show you why. It is the actual dash frame, which is this entire section here. They like to reinforce it by bolting it here and underneath this flap. And on this side, underneath the windshield wiper motor, are two more. So the windshield technically goes about here-ish. Whenever there is a leak in the system, you're going to have your AC for a little bit until the refrigerant runs out. The evaporator is the part where it actually does do the cooling down part, so to speak. Not to get real technical. And that's the part that's inside the car. That's why we have the dashboard in the engine bay.